Hello everyone, how to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So if we have xy equals to 40, yz equals to 50 and zx equals to 60, so we solve this problem for the values of x plus y plus z. Okay, so we need to find the sum of these three values. Here we have these are the three equations, so we call this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, and this is our equation number 3. So here for the value of this we just use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. So we use here this nice formula to find the required value. uh, so here you see that we need to find this value, but here we cannot have these three squares of values, but these three values are given. Okay, these are given values. This is the our requirement or claim. So here we need to find first these squares, a square, b square, c square, or in our terms of variables we need to find here x square, y square and z square. Okay, so we need to use here this nice formula. So but here we first find these three squares. So in order to find these three squares we use these three equations. And now here we just do this step. Here we need to multiply equation number 1 with equation number 2, and it is divided by equation number 3. Okay, on both of the sides. Okay, so we just do this step into the above equations. So after making this step, we write here our above equation as first we have the left hand side of equation number 1 is xy multiplied by right hand side of equation left hand side of equation number 2 is yz, and left hand side of equation number 3 is zx is equals to, here the right hand side of equation number 1 is 40, the right hand side of equation number 2 is 50, and the right hand side of equation number 3 is 60. Okay, so here we need to make some simplifications here. So you see that this z is cancelled out by this z, this x is cancelled out by this x, and we get here in the left hand side is y multiplied by y equals to y square. And if you see here, this 0 is cancelled out by this 0, and so here we need to cancel this term. This is 2 times 2 is 4, and this will becomes 20, and 2 times 3 becomes 60, and 20 times of 5 becomes here 100 divided by 3. So this is the value of y square. Similarly here we again do this step, and now here we multiply equation number 2 with equation number 3, and it is divided by equation number 1. Okay, so now we do this step. So according to this step you see here the left hand sides of equation number 2, 3 and 1 are, equation number 2 is yz, equation number 3 is zx, and equation number 1 is xy is equals to, similarly the right hand sides of equation number 2 and 3 are 40 multiplied by 50, and the right hand side of equation number 1 is the 2 and 3 is 50 multiplied by 60, and equation number 1 is 40, it is divided by here. So now here in the next step, so here we need to do more simplifications, and you see here this x is cancelled out by this x, y is cancelled out by this y, and we multiply z with z, and it will becomes here z square. And further you see here this 0 is cancelled out by this 0, and we will get here, so we need to cancel these terms, and we get here 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6, and we again have so here we have this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we carry 1, and 2 5s are 10. So now we multiply 25 times 3, and 25 times of 3 becomes here 75. So this is the value of z square. So we find the value of, this is the value of y square and z square, and now we need to find the value of x square. So in order to find the value of x square we multiply equation number 1 with equation number 3, and we divide it by equation number 2. Okay, so now we need to do this step. So according to here, first we need to multiply the left hand side of equation number 1 and 3. So equation number 1 is xy, equation number 3 is zx, divided by equation number 2 is yz equals to equation number 1 is 40, equation number 3 right hand side is 60, and equation number 2 right hand side is 50. So now here we need to make little bit simplifications here, and you see that this y is cancelled out by y and z is cancelled out by z, and here we have x multiplied by x becomes x square, and we have this 0 is cancelled out by 0, and 5 times 8 becomes 40, and 8 times 6 equals to 48. So this is the value of x square. So we find all these three values of x square, y square, and z square. So now here we just use the above formula. So according to this formula, which we can write here in the form of x and y, you know about that if we have x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times of xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, so this is our formula, and now we need to substitute the all the values here. So we need to find the sum of x plus y plus z. We write it as it is, and the values of these three squares are 48 plus 100 over 3 plus the value of z is 75, and plus this is 2 times of, we need to sum up x, y, y, z and zx. The value of x, y is 40, yz is 50, and zx is 60. So here we need little bit simplifications, and now here first we need to add 48 and 75. So when we add these two values, we will get here 123 plus this is 100 divided by 3, and plus 2 times of, we need to add these values, 60 plus 40 become 100, and 100 plus 50 becomes 150. So here 150 times 2 becomes here, this is 123 plus 100 divided by 3 plus 100 times 2 becomes here 300. So 300 plus 123 is equals to 423 plus 100 over 3. So here we need to take the LCM of this term. So you see here the LCM of this term is 3, and now we multiply 3 with this 423. It will be written as 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and 3 4s are 12 plus 100. So when we add these two values, now we will get here this will becomes here 1369 divided by 3. So this is in the left hand side we have x plus y plus z whole square, but here our target is to find the value of x plus y plus z. For this we need to remove this square sign, so for this we just apply square root on both of the sides, and now you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here in the left hand side is x plus y plus z is equals to, here we know that the square root of 1369 is equals to 37 divided by, we know that a square root of 3 becomes here square root of 3. So this is the sum of x, y and z, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.